Alright, looks like I'm good to go. Got my live stream set up. I think I'm rolling now. Yep, good to go. Okay, so this MLB is flopped. We're gonna wait for it to come up later. CMMB reaching these new highs here, so we're gonna see what type of move we could get. We have a high here at 2.95, midway point here at 2.79, resistance on that VWAP level right now. Profit target, we'll call it 3.5. Seems like a good level to establish a profit target. Let's remove this, remove this. Any other level that I could look for here? Yeah, 3.5 is a good level. We'll stick with 3.5. Okay. Seeing some resistance here on that VWAP level at 2.62. Here we're trading CMMB. I think they have some news. Chemomab therapeutic shares are trading higher after the company announced FDA clearance of its investigational new drug. Definitely have some news. Let's make sure the camera's on my face. Yeah. Alright, so and now we're crashing. So I guess we're just gonna be patient, wait for some sort of setup to perform. Wait for a good setup to appear before we rush anything. All our leading gappers on the day are coming down. So we have our leading gapper MLB, as we see right here, flushing down, ARBE flushing down, which is good because now I know that ARBE, my bad. Which is good because the stock that comes up and then could retest these previous high of days is the one that I want to be trading. So we're gonna see which one is able to climb back up. Interesting. This whole area. That's been like, that was like a second. Oh. That was like a second. It just flashed up and boop, crashed back down. Light volume though. ARBE is really choppy. If I'm even gonna get in this stock, I need to get in at a very nice spot. So there's a huge red line here, meaning that there's either a lot of short interest in the stock. Let me see. A lot of selling pressure on this level. High is 7.7. If MOB crashes below that support level, then I'm gonna switch all my attention to ARBE. Yeah, like clearly it looks like it. I'm gonna drop a alert here at the ask to notify me when when it comes back up. That way, as soon as it comes back up, it'll notify me and I'll take a look at it. I messed it up again. What up? Create alert. Ask. Add her above. Is it not working? It's weird. Oh, okay. Just. Alright, that's good. Where was I? Alright, it's gonna be a very, very interesting play here. Because it's now solidifying at that VWAP support level on the 1 minute chart. Okay, I'm gonna add in. Oh, 100 shares is a little too much. Average 6.8. Should have definitely entered with smaller position. Indefinite stop loss will have to be around this area. Yeah, I definitely should have entered with smaller position. Yeah, that was not a good play. Yeah, after a candle like this stock just isn't a good indication. After a move like these two right here, how can you trust this? How can you trust a stock like this? You can't. I mean, look at this. I need some medication ASAP. Oh. Hmm. Waiting to see what happens here. Just gonna wait before I get something interesting. This is a very weird stock because, as you see, we have strong resistance areas, right? Meaning that if you're gonna get into this stock, you have to get around this area. You can't get in all the way up here. It's already too risky. So we're gonna test that theory out, right? If this exponential moving average right here keeps on building up, and we see it get squeezed through that VWAP, I'll answer. One thing is I don't want to buy here and it just gets rejected off that VWAP level. I want to see some sort of build above it, but I also don't want to see it like just go straight shoot up and then I miss it. So I am gonna just analyze what's the best thing to do here. Let's see. Well, I see the exponential moving average squeezing through, which is good. I ideally want to add my 50 shares somewhere in this range. Okay, that little ABCD flag pattern seems good. If that flag can hold this level up. It's even managed to close, has to close above here for me to take some sort of interest in it. Okay. Okay. I like what I'm seeing. Okay. 50 shares average is 6.61. Okay, next ad would be 6.8. That area. And at 6.8, average is 6.68. Okay, I like how it's building up now, okay? Indefinite stop loss would definitely be a flush below this VWAP. I'll call it at 6.5. Average is 6.68, 6.58, 20 cents, 20 cents risk. Oh boy. Hold that level, don't break below that 6.5 level. Even though it did cross below, let's see if it could manage to hold above. See if you can manage to hold above that level. Yeah, I don't know what to think about this. I don't know what to think about this. Um, I was expecting a flush. We didn't get that flush. We're still above that level. Um, yeah, it's looking like it's gonna drop. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. It's not looking nice. Oh, look, Ao's on this chat. What's up, Ao? Just saw me got stopped out of a position. But hey, shit happens. I'm not taking the risk. Let's see how much. Okay, I still have buying power. We could still make something happen. Still definitely make something happen. Let me pull up my chat here so I could see you. Da, 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 da. Oh. We'll put you right there. I see Ale woke up early today. My man Ale is up early today. Ready to work and do some phone calls, eh? Yeah, bro, finally. That's good. I mean, right now, again, the stocks aren't looking great. Pretty much just focusing on two stocks at the moment. First one is here, ARBE, that keeps on getting flushed down as soon as it enters this supposed breakout level. So if the buyers can overcome this area and push it all the way through, then we could potentially see this 5 minute. We could potentially get a move up to 7.7, which is what I want. This is prime time for making money and sorry, and right now time is money. Yeah, you're right. Right now time is money. The second stock on the watch list is MOB. Same thing here. We could get a move back up to his VWAP level. We could potentially get a move all the way back up to his pre-market high at 2.85. So that's the idea. Might wait on. Holy shit, bro! I need like some vitamin C or something. Yeah, hopefully can. ARB, I already got stopped out twice. So might just look at MOB here. If MOB does reach these levels, breaks, we could make a lot of money on that move. Let's see. We'll start averaging in here. Average is 2.34. This one might take a while. This one's definitely going to require some patience. If this doesn't scoop, I'm expecting this to curl back down here, as it's doing here, and then come back up right here, giving me a nice red to green move. Now, if I don't get that, then we'll just have to wait for something else to pop up. That's what it's looking like is most likely can happen. But again, we're just gonna have to wait, because there's no guarantee it will. I'm just ready for that best case scenario. We see the lows, we see the momentum carrying it off. It's building kind of like a ladder. Ideally what I want to see. Here, I'm expecting it to come all the way up here. See, I don't know, just see what happened. ARBE, the one I kept getting stopped on, apparently is now coming up. But then again, we have this entire area of just pure selling pressure. See what people in the chat are saying. Nah, nobody's saying anything. This is a difficult stock because if this, I've already got stopped. I mean, I can't take a trade here. I mean, I've already gotten stopped twice on a similar setup like this. Taking a trade right now with this setup would just be repeating the same mistake. I got stopped, I believe it was here. Wait. I believe it was here, and then I got stopped here. So basically, preparing for this breakout of 6.9, I kept getting stopped out here. The setup is looking kind of nice here, I'm not gonna lie. And it could potentially take off. I'm gonna wait to see how these volume bars react. If we get the break through 6.8, I feel like the move will be instant. It'll already be too late to even see what happened. So if I get in, it has to be at a good setup here. Let's first see where my entry was at MOB. 2.34 was my average. We're going to wait to see how this builds. We're going to hold on to this position right here. Back to ARPE here. Okay, this is good now. If we could get a support area right here, that this area is defined as support somehow, instead of just getting flushed right through it, then we could get a move back up strong. Okay, let's see if we can get that. Gotta wait for a good setup to show though. Okay. Getting flushed beneath. Let's see. Five-minute candle. First 5-minute candle to close above the VWAP could hold. That could be some importance right here. I'm seeing a little ABCD pattern right here, just a mini ABCD pattern. ABCD pattern here on the 5-minute as well. The first 5-minute candle to successfully close above the VWAP could be a strength of buying power right here. Okay, that's interesting. We could very much use that to our advantage here. Of course, this level is going to have to hold. That's good. That's good. I like the right away the buy on the line right here. I like that. Okay, I like that. I like that move straight, strong, right off the VWAP. Good buying support pressure right there. Let's see how it plays out. looking like our plan might work. Entering my next shares there, and now you just gotta be patient. Indefinite stop loss would be around this area. Okay, squeezing through. It's could get squeezed through here. A lot of green on the tape. That's good. It's getting squeezed, getting squeezed. Adding for an extra 50 shares here. Can we get the squeeze? Can it take us up? Okay, good, great. This is like what I like to see. Profit target at 7.8. We're gonna let it take us. Good thing we were able to get the move up, but now we're gonna see if it holds. Back to roughly break even because I had those other losses. We ideally want that red line to hold as support. If it doesn't hold, then the sellers will just push us down. I should have known that this is getting bear market tendencies and to get out as it was going up. Obviously, I hadn't anticipated that, but it's okay. Now I guess we just wait. We just gotta wait now. Now at least the price is above this whole resistance area. So let's see if like the buyers could slowly get that push back up. Oh, did I even sell my MOB share? I didn't sell my MOB share. And I'm down $30 because of it. Isn't that just great? How was I supposed to know? Well, if ARBE flops, and that's pretty much it for the day, I have no more buying power. The setup looks good enough to reach that previous high of 7.8 again. It's definitely not a bull market, so I'm going to set my profit target at that high of day. Yeah. Well, this is just great. Sarcastically. Let me be patient here. I'm not patient because I'm waiting. I'm holding through the loss. I'm patient because, I mean, the losses were already accumulated back here, all the way back here, right? So now I'm just waiting for the setup to play out. And my expectation that the resistance level will hold at support is now coming to fruition here. So, yeah, let's see if the buyers could push it up. This is out of my hands now. And if it flushes down, then I stop out. Yeah, and I guess now we just wait. Waiting for this resistance level to hold that support here. Even though I have a lower average again, I took some losses getting stopped out. All the way down here. Not every day is a profitable day, but every day can be a good trading day, meaning we take our losses where we have to. So that's what we'll do if it flushes down. Just gotta wait it out now. There are definitely other stocks we could have played. AMAM was one that was highly talked about today. Had a good move. This one would have been my preferred one to trade, actually. But I found out about it all like while it was already at 4.9 over here. At that point, I mean, it already took off. Let's lower the volume on that. I also could have entered here for the break. Regardless, I'm out of buying power anyways, so it would have been definitely a much better play for the day. Float was 36, decent, good. Would have definitely been the better trade of the day. I think so, 100%. Had I caught on to it down here, even here I could have scalped it. Bless me. I mean, excuse me, guys. $5.45. That was like, that could have been a 40-cent move done right there. Easy $40 per 100 shares, if done correctly. But whatever. Might as well focus on what I have. On ARBE, here we still have this open position. Getting some action back here on ARBE. Now the most probable situation is probably going to reject here at that yellow profit target level. I would like to hold to see if we could get that break. Most likely it's looking like it's probably going to reject at that level, knowing how these things play out. But whatever, I'll just wait it out. Even if it rejects, I could wait it out. I literally said I was going to reject, and I rejected right after I said it. I would honestly just rather hold. I have a little buffer space, so I could hold if it comes back. I'll take the small loss. If it keeps going up, I'll profit. We'll just be patient with it. This consolidation period right here is probably going to be the make or break moment, these next few candles, to see if the momentum could keep running up steeply or not. I don't know what to think about that. That's good in a sense, I believe, because that's the opposite of what we got here. Those instant lines, so I'm gonna take that as a good sign. Still a little sus though. And it crashed. Is it gonna get that pop back up or what? Is it gonna get that pop? It's only 150 shares. Oh, that's great. Well, I mean, it didn't breach my stop, so I guess if it closes below this red line, I'll sell. It's looking like I'm about to. But yeah, the best option would have definitely have been to sell at this 7.6 level. I think what probably would have been the best scenario would have been to not even trade this part, wait for this to happen, comes back down to this resistance level that becomes a support, and then you have the profit target as a previous resistance. That would have been, I think, the best play, the best scenario. In my head, that's how I make the most of my money, by similar moves like this. It looks like a U, right? It's a what I call a red to green. Flushes down from a certain resistance level, gathers at a support level, and then moves back up to that previous level just to flush down again off that level. That's how I made the majority of my trades. I could definitely here see on Discord. Let me log into my Discord real quick. we could see that move clearly right here. This is the red to green pattern, which we could see. Shit. Anyways, red to green pattern we can clearly see right here. Kind of looks like a U. We have the pump up. We be patient. Let the first pump up take off. And the reason I say let it take off is because the first pump up we have no clear. Sometimes we have no clear resistance level to where it's going to peak at. But here it's leveled off, came to support level. So let's read that. Sellers, sell off, sellers pushing the price down, buyers waiting to get in at cheaper prices. At least now we have a set profit target at 21.5. Now we have a set profit target here at 7.6, right? Buyers buying the dip at VWAP level, not letting the price go below. Novice traders will create the momentum as soon as they see that crack. They see that stock will not go down. Entry was around this area. So the idea is to enter around this area where the professional people are where the professional traders are adding to the positions and building up their sizes. So then once we get all the way, this momentum is created by other retail traders who are just pushing the price up. And then we exit after halt, right? Same thing here on my best profit day, I believe. Let's see if I can find it. I know it's not all the way up there. Oh, shoot. Right. Right here, Emojio. Same thing here. Pump up right here at the market open. It's 5-minute chart, by the way. Came back down, support level. Doesn't necessarily always have to be the VWAP. It can be below it. Sideways movement and pump up through this pre-market high and this 3.5 resistance level. And it kept going higher. So one second. So yeah, it's basically the movement and everything. I think what I'm gonna do now is since I have class right now, I'm going to set an alert. I've identified this point right here, this area right here, as my indefinite stop. So we are going to create alert that the last trade hits at or below this level, and then once I get the notification, I'll just sell off. And yeah, because I have class now at 11, so and then I'll just put the recap on this later on my Discord, and I'll probably make a video about this later. To all of you who have watched, thank you all for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow.